Okay, welcome back. It is time for your health check. September is Self-Care Awareness Month. And look, if you've never built in a self-care routine, now is a really great time to start. Self-care, you might have heard this, kind of a trendy buzzword, right? Anything that promotes our own physical, emotional, psychological, or spiritual well-being. And it really should be intentional. So make time in your normal routine for this. It does not have to be something super fancy, demanding, or expensive. So for instance, taking a walk outside, if you enjoy nature, is a great idea when it comes to self-care. Taking a bubble bath, journaling, socializing with friends, meditating, breathing exercises. And it can also be something physical tied to exercise or nutrition.
So doing this kind of work thoughtfully in a very planned way, it is absolutely a vital part of us as at an individual level being more effective in the world around us. And I will often say, especially to women, um, you got to be, it's the oxygen mask on the airplane analogy. You know, you gotta. They tell you that when you get on, you got to put it on yourself first before you help others.
So true. Developing a self-care routine can really take some time, especially if you're trying to get used to new habits. I usually say 21 days and then 90 days. So think of those two markers in time. Don't feel pressured to meet certain expectations or deadlines all the time. And speaking of new routines, how does your gym routine look these days? I'm talking to my Fitter Together friends, okay? A new fitness consumer survey found that 31% of gym goers are actually working out less this year, and more than a quarter of people who had memberships pre-pandemic say they have no plans to return to physical gyms. Why? Well, a lot of these people cited costs, safety precautions, and cleanliness post-pandemic, but it's not all bad news for gym goers. About half of those surveyed say they returned within 9 months of restrictions lifting. I really think this depends on who you are. I have so many friends in the fitness community here who've done their own thing, and we have big at-home workout communities, so that's how people are getting it in. Also, when the weather's nice, you can go outside, so everyone's doing their own thing.
It seems like more so habits just shifted, and once they've shifted, it may take a lot to go back.
Yeah, and it's harder for the boutique studios. Right now, everything's trending back toward the big box gyms. That's why we see higher numbers at places like Lifetime Fitness, for instance.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.